natawa ako doon, no? Like itong si John Victor na to. Okay, ang dami kong bukaka ng bibig doon. Okay, let's go now here, no? So I'll remove the camera and sige. If there is a tool that will finish, no, your thesis draft and your Google form also, no, it will be your Excel, no? Intindihan? Okay, ulitin ko, no? It will be your Excel. Why? It is very organized, no? Kasi pag hindi kayo gagamit ng Excel, if you will not use your Excel, and then there's something wrong, no? Okay, let's see, for example, this one. It's almost organized. Okay, let's have this. Ito. Okay, ideal to. Ang daming tanong pero nahilo lang ako, no? Okay, let's go. And then, we'll use the psychometric analysis that I did last time. Wait lang. Dapat pala na ako naka-share. Hold on. Okay, again, no? Okay. I'm just sad and I'm disappointed that no one is, not no one, but not a half, no, of this class is doing their thesis, no? Okay, so I've noticed those achievers are really aiming to have this thesis finished and their pair, no? Their pair, whoever is pair to them, no? So, konti lang. So, out of how many? I think it's 10 times 2, it's 20. So, okay, sige. It's surpassing half of this class, no? Are really trying to finish this thesis as possible, no? Okay, we have these people, Ozzy and Anna Faith, no? Let's have this, no? This is their statement of the problem and significance of the study, no? Okay, so it's branching, no? And that research questions is there. But that research questions are not actually the ones appearing as their survey question, no? It'd be different, no? So with that regard, please take note, ha? Hold on lang. Tumarinig yung sarili ko. Okay. So okay na ba? Static? Hindi pa. Nalayo ko kasi sa Lubao, Pampanga pa ako. Sige. Okay, pag ako nag-stop at hindi ko narinig, ha? Okay, again. We must be guided with this. Huwag kayo magmamadali, ha? Okay, the internet again is hindi ko gusto, no? Okay, sige. Huwag magmamadali, no? Okay, this is the statement of the problem. Research questions are there. Research questions, very good sila, no? They are creating questions, a lot of questions in the survey that is related to that research question, no? Like for instance, your research question is saying, do schools in the Philippines deploy high quality and the right amount of English? Ay, assumption na lang po ito. Okay, hello, your population is PCA, no? Do schools in the Philippines, they do not you do not what is this one? You do not include this in your research questions. This is so broad now, no? Okay. PCA lang muna yung target. Okay, so there's something wrong in here, no? Okay. Make that, make this one, no? Include the Philippines there when you actually have uh, a result for your PCA na, no? At saka sobrang liit pa ng PCA, no? You do not include the Philippines as a whole, no? Whatever is true to PCA, you do not include Philippines, no? Okay, wag yan. Tanggalin nyo yung PCA dyan. Ay, yung Philippines dyan, no? Okay, it could be, no? In the conclusion, or yes, in the conclusions, you might state the Philippines, no? Whatever is true in the PCA might be true to the schools, all schools of private schools or public schools in Pasig and the big area and the whole Philippines is like that, no? Okay, tanggalin nyo to. Do schools, it's not your problem, no? Okay, it's not your problem. It's DepEd's problem, no? Find out. Okay, nakikita ko lang, no? Okay, I'll check. What is the quality of education and learning English before the pandemic? Okay, so vague is research questions number 1, no? Okay, so remove that. Again, revise that. Do you think that the quality of educating learners of ESL is English secondary or second language, no? Here in the Philippines, still has something to be improved. Okay, again, are they related? What is the quality, no, of education in learning English before the pandemic, no? And sabi dyan, do you think the quality of educating learners of ESL here in the Philippines, this still has something to be improved? Okay. So it's really vague, no, for this one. Tingnan nyo siya, ha? Okay. You are specific because you're dealing with PCA and yet your questions will be saying the Philippines, no? Do you think that the quality of... Okay. So it will be... Okay, just so easy, no, to determine where is the problem, no? Your title is saying about PCA and yet your research questions is the Philippines, no? Okay. The Philippines problem actually in this quality of education, who measures that is DepEd, not you, huh? Okay. Are you listening, Anna Faith? Or is Anna Faith? Okay. So, iintindihin niyo yung ginagawa niyo, no? Okay, para nagkakaintindihan tayo. Pero I commend these two people, no? Ozzy and paano ito? And Anna Faith. Okay? Hindi ko kasi makita dyan. Wait lang. Para nakikita ko tong mga anak ko ito. Ito, magagaling to mga to eh. Okay? Nagta-thumbs up? Anna Faith? Yes? Okay. Do you consider it? No? Do not tackle Philippines. Mahihilo. Pag ako nagtanong sa inyo, sinasabi ko sa inyo, paktay kayo. No? Okay. So, notice, no, how broad, no, and simple or definite placed there, no? If population is there to be specific, be specific. Why? Because the cloudiness of your thought will be there, like you're thinking about the Philippines and yet you should be thinking only for the PCA, no? Kasi pag marami kayong inisip about the Philippines, nako, specific problem of the PCA, you cannot measure. Did you get that? Okay. And then this one. So please, the research questions should be talking about the PCA only, no? And then that research question should be related to that statement of the problem, no? Quality, you're saying, no? So quality in the PCA, and then your your question, no? Your e-survey question. Let's see. How do you use, you see? Okay. You are only asking the PCA class, no? Or the senior class. Or, I mean, the grade 10 class only. And you see how simple that is now. How often do you use English in the school or in classes? Or how often do your subject teachers use English as they teach? Okay, it's that, no? It's so simple, and yet yung questions is not related, no? Research questions is not related, so they are not in harmony. Did you get that? So please, you draft it, no? And then this research question, this e-survey question, make sure that it is measuring something. I know that you are modifying this now, no? Okay. So you are modifying something now here. Do not, so you have to have this in Likert scale, no? Okay, you see, the Likert scale, the one that I sent you, is very useful, no? Okay, it is a guide also, no? Okay, for your kind of questioning, no? Like for instance, no? They strongly disagree and extreme, that is strongly agree, no? What does that measure, no? So it is leading to a question that you'll create already, no? So, mas maganda in harmony sila. Okay? The good thing for that. Okay, Larty Scales is there. Hold on. Tingnan natin yung choices doon, no? Okay, sige. We do not show that anymore. But I gave you that, no? Hold on. Sige, bigyan natin. Para hindi tayo nalilito. Okay. Do I have that? Tingnan natin dito. Okay, it doesn't mean to say, no, I'm putting you in shame now here, no? I'm afraid hindi po yun, no? For us to understand what we're doing and saan na ba yun? Ito yan, no? Okay, this one, no? Ay, sorry. Nagre-research dito si ako. Okay, hold on. Is it a word? Okay, parang nakikita niyo yung sinasabi ko, no? Diyos ko, ang dami kasing sinisend ko rito. Kaya nahihilo na rin kayo, no? Pero from here, hindi na kayo mahihilo, no? Para forget about the t-test, no? Yung mga ANOVA, okay, analysis of variance, and all the other tests there. We will simply do the descriptive, no? Using the mean, the mode, if we need that, and the median. Okay, we will just use standard deviation and what else, no? As we study our textbook, you might have the skew, no? Yung skewness, ito na tawag.
Dito na siya
Okay, ito. Okay, let's have this. Okay. Isipin nyo, no? Okay, if you have difficulty in... Medyo maingay, sino yun? Ako bala yun. Okay, so medyo hindi ko na I'm not aware na maingay pala yung mga kasama ko sa bahay. Okay, again, no? If you want to modify, no, revise your questions in your e-survey, we call it e-survey questions, okay, you must have this, no, as your guide, okay, because there are a lot of choices there, no? What are you trying to actually measure, no? So what answers would you like your respondents to answer you, no? Is it agreement, importance? Check about that, no? Okay, importance, agreement. Hindi po yung natuwa kayo, ay gusto ko to kasi it's slightly important. But you do not know the meaning, level, importance. You consider that, no? Okay, in the level of agreement, do you agree? It says there, no? Okay. Acceptability, action, reflect. Okay, ang dami dyan, no? So, please lang, no? These are so, um, what we call this, easy English words that you're not aware anymore that it is your guide in creating your questions, no? Madali lang ang ginagawa nyo actually, no? Level of problem. Is it a problem or not a problem, no? Not a problem at all. Parang ganun ang sagot. Ang dali-dali lang, no? Dagdagan nyo yan. Okay, and then, what else? Pag frequency naman, ayan, no? Ba't kayo hirap na hirap? Frequency of use, no? Do you use English? Never. Every time. Oh, diba? We're talking about English proficiency. Bakit hindi nyo gamitin yan, no? Do you speak English daily? Never, every time. Oh. It's a simple measure already, no? It's a basic measurement in testing one's English proficiency, no? Naintindihan? Okay, ito naman. Ang dami pa dito, no? Are you aware? Okay. You see those ones, no? But it is dangerous, no? Let's see, for instance, here, no? If you use all of those levels and then put it here, makinig ng mabuti, no? Okay. So you have that, no? Statement of the problem. The search question is there. It is in harmony in that, no? Okay, sabihin na natin. Okay? And then, punta nga tayo dito sa baba. What are the effects of the pandemic on the English language? And then, okay, you're measuring research question. Okay. Environment, no? Is environment really an effect? Okay. Is it affecting, okay, your learning English proficiency? No? Tingnan natin dito. So, isa lang yun. Ibig sabihin nito, isa lang to, ha? Okay, tingnan nyo ng mabuti, no? Okay. Pag ito ay nakaganito, check how you use actually yung merging, ha? Okay, may merging sa taas ng Excel nyo, ha? Okay, may merge nyo siya. Ibig sabihin nito, pag gumanon doon, wala akong mabasa, no? Dapat, okay, kung ito man ay, wait lang. Okay, ibig sabihin, ang merging nito, ito lang, no? And then this one, I understand that the merging of this one is this one. So, pipindutin nyo lang yung merging dito para gumita. Yan, no? Okay, how does the... Okay, ito na siya. Ever since the pandemic started, how often do you use English when you speak? So, when you measure that, it is one question only pertaining to that research questions. So, there's no, what do you call this? Stopping, no? You're not to be stopped. Any level of, in the Likert scale, any level you can use because it's only giving you, no? You created only e-survey question, only one. Okay? So there's no, there is no stopping you to choose any level in the Likert scale. Why? Because you only have one question. How about this, no? If these three questions will be actually related to the research questions, then you see, these three questions must only need one level, no, in the Likert scale. Hindi yung ang dami-dami yung ibibigay. Like for instance, you choose, do you think your speaking skill, especially in English, improved during this time of pandemic? Okay. Do you think yan, ha? Do you think speaking skill, especially English, improved during this time of pandemic? Okay, you go now to your Likert scale, no? Because do you think yun, eh? No? So again, do you think ang sabi dyan? Then you go there, no? Okay, what kind of Likert scale, okay, will be helpful for you, no? Do you think, sabi dyan? What is your idea, no? So you search there, no? Okay. And then, bahala na kayong tumingin dyan, no? I will not guide you anymore. And then this one. Sorry, nasana ako. Nahilo na si Sir. Kasi parang hindi nyo naintindihan yung ginagawa nyo. Para kayong hilong-hilo na, no? Sa dami ng binato ko sa inyo. Sorry naman, no? Okay. Kasi feeling ko mayroong mabilis sa inyong gumawa. And I think you can actually use t-test, no? Pero kung hindi, do not use any more t-test, no? we'll just use descriptive statistics, wherein we use the Likert scale, and it's so simple, giving us mean, and dapat pa nga mode dyan, no? Okay, punta tayo dito. Okay, if these three questions are answering this research question, this one, no? Can you follow? Then, these ones, no? A survey must be giving you, or you must be using a level of your measurement. We are measuring kasi, a level of measuring, no? What do you measure, no? Okay. They must be in harmony, or they use the same level in the Likert scale. Why? Because, tignan nyo siya, no? Ito. Okay. Yung psychosometric, no? Parang ito, no? What am I measuring here? It's neuroticism. Okay. And then the definition of neuroticism is, it is a negative emotion such as anger, anxiety, or depression. Okay? So it means to say that if I'm going to be actually presenting them the Likert scale, their choice or their response should be, of course, 1, not 5, because it's talking about negative, no? Okay, let's see. What was given? I get upset easily. Okay, if you choose 5 there, my God, no? Strongly agree. There's something wrong with you. Okay, if I choose strongly disagree, then, okay. So it means to say, no, that you are measuring everything in your questions 1, 6, and 11. And it should be giving you a measurement that is strongly disagree. Why? Okay? Why? It's expected, no? Okay. It's expected. Neuroticism yan. And you're defining that one. Also, this one, in your application, it's like this also, no? Okay. So for Q1611, you created that, no? In your e-survey. 1611 related to what? So this one, psychosometric kasi ito eh. This is psychosometric, and your study is a different case. Okay. So for 1611, for instance, this is, okay, you do not title it in neuroticism, but you title it as significance of the study 1. Okay? Did you get that? Okay. We all know that under the significance of the study 1, there are a lot of research questions, no? So sige, let's put it this way, no? At least, no? Let's put it this way. You are actually gathering data, okay? Tatlo na lang, no? Pag mas marami kayong magagawa, if you will be answering a lot of your gathering data, more than 3, it's good, no? Because you love it, and you can formulate questions. Okay, ganito na lang gagawin natin, no? Significance of the study, we base it, no? There. Or if you cannot right away think that there is research questions related to your significance of the study, you jump to the study of the problem, ha? Doon na lang. Okay. Why? Because I know a lot of you, okay, didn't branch out, no? You didn't branch out the statement of the problem anymore into the significance. It's okay, no? For as long as I can see 3 statements there or questions in your statement of the problem. Okay, so SOP ito, not significance, no? So we'll be creating this one. Score, you see there, no? And then statement of the problem 1, statement of the problem 2, and 3. Okay, that's what we're going to measure, no? For the others, if your statement of the problem is related to your significance of the study, o sige, lagyan nyo na ng gano'n, no? Slash, SOP, SOS, significance of the study, 1, 1. SOP2, SOS 2, SOP 3, SOS. Okay, it's like that, no? Ganun na magiging idea now, no? Thumbs up kayo kung nakukuha. Okay. Tapos, yung Q1, yung Q6 nyo and Q11, dapat related doon sa SOP and doon sa SOS. Kasi pag hindi related, naku po, no? Magkakagulo tayo. Okay. Ay, sorry. Nagtatagalog ako dito si Nyampong. Okay. When you have your 3 questions under one SOP or under one SOS, make sure that you are giving your respondents same level of measurement, okay, in the Likert scale. Why? Okay. Why? Magkakaroon kasi ng iba yan. You cannot sum them up or you cannot present them in one, okay, ito na siya, chart. Okay? In one statistical analysis data, no? Visual data. Why? Okay? Because, okay, for instance, no? In your SOP, there are 3 questions you want to actually prove or you ask data. You are actually asking, sorry, you are creating a data, you are gathering data out of these 3 questions, right? Okay. And then the 3 questions should be in harmony, gathering this level of measurement. Okay? That is why it is really important to check that Excel, no? We will not draft first Google form, a survey, no? Mind you, I will recheck everyone who will be actually doing the Google form, no? Okay, kasi hindi nyo naintindihan yung ginagawa nyo, no? So again, if you have 3 questions or 2 questions or 1 questions, it's okay, no? Okay, I will not be insisting asking you 3 questions for 1 SOP if you cannot think of anything. Okay, because you are not thinking anymore because you are frozen. No? Ang dami naman pwede kasing tanungin dyan, no? Okay. Like for the factors, effects, they're not the same, no? Affects and effects, impacts, factors, no? What are the okay, positive factors, negative factors, impacts, is it a good impact or a bad impact, no? Okay, try to branch it out, please. Okay, hindi kasi kayo nagre-research, ano? You are concentrated on how will I do my paragraph with this one. They are not teaching us, especially Pastor Arcales. Sir Romel is discussing and it's vague. I cannot understand him. Okay, bakit ganun? No? Hindi nyo ata naintindihan yung ginagawa nyo. Okay? So again, it's 12:14, no? Okay. Can you give me thumbs up if you actually get what I mean? Sige, tignan nyo. So you modify everything, ha? So again, modify everything if you understand what I am talking here, no? Okay, again. And if you use this Excel, this will help you. Okay? If not, patay. Okay? Hindi magandang Google form nyo. And I will reject it. Again, what are the problems faced by the learners? O, tingnan nyo nga itong mga to. Ang gagaling nilang magtatanong, no? Some modification they need to have, no? Kayo hindi ko nyo maintindihan. What are the problems faced by the learners as they study English? Okay. So sabi dito, are the technologies helpful? Okay, it's related, no? Because it's technology. Okay? One of the factors yun. So if I were you, Iha, what are the problems faced? Factors dapat ito, no? Ito, statement of the problem. What are the problems faced by the learners? There is factors, no? Why they face that problem, no? So factors na kaagad. Okay, factors will be technology. Okay, do respondents study language after the school hours? Study the language after school hours. I think modify it under here. No? Okay, it's okay now here. But modify this one, no? So change this one. What are the problems faced by the... Okay, problems yan eh, no? Okay, so branch it out already, no? Okay, the problems. What are the problems? Make it factors now, positive or negative. Okay? And then, positive or negative to factors lang. Okay? Huwag daw positive, negative. Identify factors, no? Because these are the problems and they can be factors, no? Again, there is a problem, of course. You'll be having problems if factors are giving you that, no? Okay, what are the factors in having that problem? Okay, ganun po siya, no? Okay, so you modify it, no? Para makuha nyo, lalo na, parang to, ano, faith, comparison kasi ito, no? Okay, tingnan nyo yan, no? Okay, so, if you will understand this, you'll be presenting this into different contexts, no? It's face-to-face and online. Okay? Whatever you measure in your face-to-face, you should be measuring that also in your online. No? So, tingnan nyo siya. Kasi hindi ko siya nakikita, no? Okay. Magkaiba kasi ang dalawang yan, no? Okay. So, dapat meron kang measurement dyan. Which do you prefer? Face? Meron ba yan? Okay. Do you think face-to-face? O meron kayo dito, no? Dapat beginning of the question, dapat yan muna ang i-present nyo. Tapos magbe-branch out na. Okay? So again, if you stick to this title, it's okay. No? But if I'm going to be actually studying this, you are talking about online, I think. No? Because there's no specific, or this is specific for online or face-to-face. Okay? So understand that because you are studying comparison, a study between, no? So I think you are concentrated on online. If it is, okay, modify your questions, no? Kasi pag hindi, naku po, okay, mapupunaan kayo ni Pastor dyan, no? Okay, ako lalo na, pag nasa panel ako, and some other teachers. Okay, so there's a lot of modifying to do here, ano, Faith, no? Remember, your title is so specific, okay? And in here, I think it's specific and what, no? Is it talking about online or face-to-face also? If it's online, concentrating online, then drop that face-to-face. Okay? Naintindihan? Okay, may modifications kayong gagawin. Okay. Otherwise, they are using the Excel and they are being guided, no? It's just that medyo hilo, no? Hindi lang nagiging specific. Okay, and then this one also, be careful on the level of measurement. If 3 questions under your e-survey will be measuring one SOP or one significance of the study, or yun, no? Related yung dalawa. And then, give them same choices. Okay? Like, what is that choices? Level of importance? Give them that. No? Okay. Like what was done here again. In the psychosometric, you see this one. No? Okay. You will be expecting here that, okay, in psychosometric question, if those are your questions, then your hypothesis must be always, no? Okay, ano? No? May effect ba o wala? Sa study nyo dapat ganun. Okay? Dito kasi, it's always, what do you call this one? It should be taking side, no? Or expected. Expected that the responses of the applicants will be not strongly agree, no? Okay, there's something wrong with them. Agree. There's something wrong with them. You see the line of questioning, see? Okay. They must be giving answers which are strongly, okay, this is you say that the result of your data, no, okay, is a good one, no, when you have these ones, no, measured, and in your measurement you have these ones strongly disagree. What if they have answers like strongly agree and agree? Okay, and then the other SOPs as well, no, okay, will be giving another the opposite of what you're measuring. Okay, and in the other SOPs also, no, what if they give you this the other extreme, okay, choice response? Then something's wrong, no? Okay, something's wrong uh, with regards to your answers, with their answers, and your hypothesis must be, no? Okay, why? What is your hypothesis, no? Remember that in your hypothesis must be, when you ask that question, there must be an answer that is expected, no? That you expect it to be. They're choosing the strongly disagree. This one, no? This one. If not, then there is something wrong, no? There is something wrong. That is why, for your hypothesis, it's always safe to say, no? Is there an effect or no effect? No? No effect. Parang ganun lagi, no? Nasa gitna ka lang, yun ang hypothesis mo, and then you find it out. Okay? Like, in your hypothesis must be, is there a good impact or positive impact? Okay? And then, you create that question and gather that one, no? Okay, yung hypothesis must be, you are in the middle, no? You are in the middle, and the hypothesizing that there is no effect, no? If there is effect, if there is an effect, it might be good, but it might be bad. And then let your data say something about it. Did you get that? Okay, sige, ulitin natin, no? Ulitin lang natin. It's 12:23, no? So, this one, paki na lang, no? Okay. Do not make your research questions so broad, no? Well, in fact, your title is saying it's so specific. Kasi sumasakit ang ulo nyo lalo dyan, no? Okay. And then, please lang, no? You modify your SOP or this one, no? Statement of the problem, and branch it out into research questions, no? And research questions is under significance of the study kasi, no? And then further branch it out. It's up to you, no? Ito siya. If you can start with your major questions like under SOP, it's okay, no? But if you want to start here, okay, here is e-survey question. Like it popped up in your mind, you have this question, it's very important. And then you classify it, no? Like for these ones, how much do you think online classes help you improve your fluency in English? So it's talking about online classes, no? And then improve. Okay, and then you go back to your study of significance. Was it ever mentioned there, no? Okay, that question is really related to this research question, no? You relate it there. Okay, you go back. Ah, okay. This one, e-survey question that I have just taught right now, it will be under here. And it will be answering the statement of the problem. It's like that, no? Or it's the vice versa. You create this one, and then you branch, no? To create branches of questioning, and then these ones, kasi the e-survey questions should be, no? Operationalize. Okay, we call it operationalize. It should be understood by your respondents in such a way that if they're going to be actually answering your question, no, one question, it would be easy for them to choose, no? Those level of measurement. Will they disagree or not? Because if this line of questioning, no, if survey question is vague, then what will you gather? No? Maglalagay sila doon neutral, no? Neutral, 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 because they do not understand your question, no? Okay. It's not that they are safe not to have that. Okay, remember that, no? Why? Because there is a magic in your questioning, no? If they do understand your question, then they will answer something so extreme, no? Left or right. And it's favorable for you. You must get that answer. Extreme. It's just 1 or 5, depending on the question, no? But if you do gather a neutral response that is 3, I think, no? Uh, hindi naman sa fail, no? But this one kasi wala naman tayong product, no? It's more of, it's theoretical, no? It's theoretical. It's not practical. Remember that, no? This is not experimental wherein you are testing something about the product, no? Hindi ito. This is not a product, no? Okay. Uh, it doesn't mean to say that their answers that is 3 is, no? What do you call this one? Being rejected. Hindi yan ganun, no? Theoretical lang naman din kasayo. Okay? You are theoretical. It's okay, no? Just do not doctor your work and then just to please your teachers, no? Hindi po yun ganun, no? Whatever the outcome is, try to defend it in the findings and conclusion. Whatever you've got, you say something about it, no? And where are your errors? Okay? Where are your errors? Where did you think your errors came up? No? Okay. What is causing you to have those errors? No? Because you're expecting to have, naintindihan mo yung sinasabi ko? So this one, your skeletal frame is really doing you good favor, no? Hindi pwedeng hindi, no? Okay. So this one, modify nyo lang. Walang problema dyan, no? So, can you ask questions now? Okay ba tayo? Parang hindi. Okay. So again, no? Forget about the t-test. Hindi kayo doon, no? Pag college na kayo o kaya senior high, answers there, okay, is really answering what you expect, no? What you expect, and that might be hypothesis for you, no? Can be an hypothesis for you if you say something that you expect and then find out what is the real answer really for that, no? For those questions. Ganun lang naman kadali para hindi na tayo mahirapan. Okay? Sige. Question, Ana Faith? Wala? Okay, sige. So, I'm not saying kayo ang pinakamaraming points sa akin, no? Because you're using the Excel and the others also, no? Pero modify nyo lang, no? Don't be offended in here because I want all of you to learn, no? I want all of your classmates to learn what you are doing in here, no? So again, okay? I do not see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no? But the level of measurements that is written there, no? There's a lot of level of measurements according to Likert scale, no? Marami dyan. Okay? But make sure again, they are in harmony, no? Okay. Responses that you gather should be in harmony. Hindi iba-iba, ha? Okay. So, parang kay Yuka. Yuka, natuwa ka yata, no? Nakita mo lang yung PDF ni Sir. Ang dami mo ng level of measurements dyan na present sa akin. Bila akong nahilo, no? Okay. So, I hope that you got something from me here, no? Kasi pag inintindi nyo yun, iba-iba. Diyos ko po. 1 SOP, ang daming level of measurement. Okay, do you think it will be presented in one data analysis, a chart? No, it requires a lot of chart because you are using level of measurements, no? A lot of level of measurements, and they're not the same, no? They're not the same, okay? Your aim is, parang ito, no? Ito. Wait, last na. Okay, bigla akong naalala, no? Natuwa ako dito. Questions 1 to 4 might be related to each other and requires, ito siya, no? Saan na ba yun? Thesis, last. Okay, see this one, no? Okay, but it's not talking about the SOP and SOS, no? Okay, ito siya. Parang natuwa ako dito, no? Did you click this? Okay, natuwa rin ako sa kanya. Okay, wait lang. Okay, natawa si Anna Faith yan eh. Okay, yung 10 questions dyan might be related to each other, no? And then, it's related to one SOP or one SOS. Okay. So you can have them all, no? It's okay, it's all right. But don't assume that your teachers or your panel of judges will not question you about those questions, no? That you combine. Okay, why? Because this 10 questions is giving you only one chart, no? There's a lot of questions that your judges will be asking there if you combine all the questions into one, no? One chart. Okay. So make sure, no? Okay, tignan mo ito. Okay. And then you see, at the end, okay, it's good, no? But it's creating one chart only, no? Okay. So this will never be your aim, no? Okay. For 3 SOPs, at least you have to present to us 3 charts with different questions, no? Related to one SOP, another SOP, another SOP. Okay. But if you are to present us, no, your study with one chart only, my goodness, no? There is a lot of breaking down, especially questions, okay, to be asked, that will be asked there, no? So one chart answers one SOP. That's it, no? Okay. Thank you. And, sige, let's have 38 na pala. Sorry po. Sorry, late ako. Okay, let's have Yuka. Okay, Yuka, pakin na lang. Or kahit ako na lang dito. Okay, nakakahiya naman kay Yuka.